What's up, PC gamers? You are watching PC Gaming Pulse, and we've got a lightning round of news that you absolutely cannot miss. We're kicking things off with the stock market, where the Nasdaq is still pushing for a record close even as other markets see a dip, but don't worry, the deals are hot. Humble Bundle is dropping a massive Steam Deck-compatible game collection for an unbelievable price, so get ready to fill your library. Then, we're diving headfirst into the chaotic charm of Machick 2, with its insane chicken and frog battles and endless wand combinations hitting Steam this week. And hold on to your hats, because Rogue Cave is about to take you on a wild minecart ride into procedurally generated depths later this month. Stick around, you won't want to miss a second of this. Hit that like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a pulse. The market's always a wild ride, right? Well, Connor Smith is reporting that the stock market is showing some mixed signals today. While the Dow Jones Industrial Average is teetering on the edge, down just 14 points and looking pretty flat, and the S&P 500 is only managing a slim 0.2% gain with more stocks falling than rising, there's one index that's still shining bright. The Nasdaq Composite is defying the trend, currently up a solid 0.5% and on track to hit a brand new record close. It's a fascinating split, showing that even when broader markets cool off, tech and growth sectors can still be powering ahead. This resilience from the Nasdaq could signal continued investor confidence in specific areas of the market, even amidst general caution. So, while some indexes are losing steam, the Nasdaq is showing us that innovation and growth are still very much in vogue. Don't go anywhere, because the deals we're about to drop are going to blow your mind. Get ready for some serious savings on Steam Deck games. Humble Bundle is back with a deal that's almost too good to be true, and it's all about getting you set up with some fantastic Steam Deck-compatible games without breaking the bank. For a limited time, you can snag a bundle packed with 10 games and 2 valuable coupons, all valued at over $190, for an astonishingly low price of just $16. This isn't just a couple of indie darlings. We're talking about a diverse collection spanning role-playing, sandbox, simulation, and strategy genres, ensuring there's something for every type of gamer. The bundle even offers a lower tier at $8 for 5 games and 2 coupons, but that $16 tier is where the real treasure lies with all 12 items. This is the perfect opportunity to expand your Steam Deck library with high-quality titles at a fraction of their usual cost, and it's all available until September 27, 2025. But the gaming goodness doesn't stop there. Prepare for a magical war where the unlikely become the ultimate warriors. We've got details on a game that sounds absolutely wild. Get ready to embrace the chaos, because Machick 2 is casting its spell on Steam this week, launching on September 10, 2025. Dead Pixel, in partnership with Nuntius Games, is bringing us a sequel that cranks the absurdity up to 11 with an apocalyptic war between chickens and frogs. This isn't your average roguelike. It's a magical roguelike survivor that masterfully blends frantic action with heaps of charm and a truly creative spirit. Imagine hand-drawn visuals meeting deep, evolving gameplay systems where you can craft billions of unique wands, fuse and evolve spells, and equip a massive arsenal of gear. The developers promise that every run is a fresh adventure, whether you're tackling story-driven battles or surviving endless challenges. With 20 playable chick characters, 24 upgradable skills, 12 spell fusions, 100 accessories, and 8 relics, the replayability is off the charts. Plus, with 11 stages and over 60 enemy types, plus formidable bosses, you'll have your hands full. And for those eager to jump in, a demo is already available on Steam, with console versions planned for PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch. Speaking of unique journeys, get ready for another wild ride, this time on a minecart, as we reveal the details of a game that's blasting its way onto Steam very soon. Hold on to your hats, because Rogue Gecko is about to drop Rogue Cave onto Steam on September 29, and it's promising a fast-paced, high-octane adventure unlike any other. You'll be hurtling through mysterious cave systems in a minecart, armed with a trusty mine gun, and your primary objective is to blast your way deeper into the unknown. The cart never stops, so your reflexes and aim are paramount. You'll be collecting resources, blasting through obstacles, and carefully managing your ammo. Because even a single bullet can be the difference between survival and a swift end, with the potential to chain combos into hundreds of rounds. Each descent is a chance to level up, unlocking perks that can completely transform your build, making every run feel fresh and unpredictable thanks to procedurally generated caves ranging from icy caverns to fiery volcanic chambers. Outside of your runs, you'll invest your mined gold into a sprawling upgrade tree for new guns, cosmetics, and permanent enhancements. It's an inventive blend of cartwrighting action, resource management, and roguelike depth that's begging to be explored. And that's a wrap on our news for today. But before you go, make sure you're subscribed and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss our next epic rundown. Alright, PC gamers, that's all the pulse-bounding news for today. We saw the Nasdaq pushing for a record close while other markets cooled. Humble Bundle dropped an insane $190 plus worth of Steam Deck games for just $16. Machick 2 is bringing chaotic chicken and frog battles to Steam this week, and Rogue Cave is set to blast off on a minecart adventure later this month. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to PC Gaming Pulse for all your essential gaming news, ring that notification bell so you're always in the loop, and drop a comment below telling us what you're most excited about. You can also follow us on all our socials for even more gaming goodness. We'll see you in the next one.